Hi! So I'm in the middle of cleaning and upgrading my longboards and pennyboard, and we're now at a crucial step, which is the cleaning of the bearings. I will try to clean all the bearings because I've never done it before, and I will use this standard cleaning device, the Bones bearing cleaner. This is just a bottle with some extras, and I will use ethanol. It's a bioethanol. Special thing I want to try out is not wasting a lot of ethanol, but I will try to filter it through a coffee filter, standard coffee filter, and speed cream in the end for lubricating the bearings again. And these are old ones that have been used now for just like half a year, but I was going inside of rain and through very wet streets, and I felt that they were getting slower. Okay, so first a very brief mechanical cleaning. So for removing the shields I will use a little needle. I'm not a professional in removing the shields, so I will try to make it as well as I can. These bearings have metal shields with like a plastic rubber coating on it. Actually, during the process of removing the shields, I improved my tools a little bit. I don't only use the pin now, I also use, this is also some kind of metal paper clip that I found. It's not as sharp in the front as the pin, and also the pin I modified a little bit. I took away the sharp ending and I bend it around, and this way I can now push through the other shield on the other side. The first shield I can just pull out, and the second shield I go through on the top and just push it out on the other side. This way I don't harm the shields as much as if I would pull them all out with a sharp little device. Also with this other paper clip, it's much easier to remove the shield. 6 bearings are already naked, 2 more to go. Okay. So the shields will go into a soapy water, so just some soap. And the bearings will go here. So when you buy this bearing cleaning kit, they give you a nice little manual for it. And inside of this manual they say that it's best for the bearings, for the cleaning, if you put the bowl side of the bearings up. There's some spacers supplied in this kit, but they are not the normal size, like normal spacers. It's really well built, at least. I mean, you pay some money for a little plastic bottle with a few parts, but it looks like it has a good build quality and it will last for some while. So again, I will use this bioethanol. I just fill it inside of a smaller bottle that I have it easier. Bones says you should fill it for like around 1/3 of the bottle. And I think this is around 1/3. And it's also recommended that you wear gloves for this process. They say that you should shake it for around half a minute, cocktail style. So let's have a look inside. There are some little black parts, some dirt. So we'll try to remove the solid parts with this little filtration through the coffee filter. And actually all of the solid residues are filtered out here. The filtrate looks quite clean. All the oil residues might swim on the alcoholic phase here. So then we will take down the filter, put back the alcohol, give the bearings a little spin, put them back, and let's spin them again. Actually, I feel like they're already spinning much better. Slowly we are collecting some dirt here. One more round of washing. Wow, no comparison. Wow, really nice. So for drying, it's recommended to let them dry for a long time and maybe even use some pressurized air. If you ever use a hairdryer in combination with alcohol, be very careful. And also try not to use too much heat. Okay, and in the end, for the shields, let's do a little bit of hand washing, and then I will just rinse them with water. Okay, now it is the shield washing machine. No. So let's dry the shields too, and then we just need a little time. One more thing, so the alcohol that we used now, let's have a look at the filter. Look at that. That's all the dirt that was inside of the bearings. Black parts and also these white little nasty parts. But the ethanol that we use now for cleaning, we can actually collect this one and we can still use it for burning. The color changed a little bit. It turned a little bit yellowish. So I assume that we have a little bit of lubricant, of oil inside. Some hours later. Let's have a look how well they spin. Yeah, this one is okay. And the ones from the other set, the older bearings that were just half open during the cleaning process. Wow. So the bearings from this set profited a lot more. The cleaning really made them but they are really running very nicely now. So for putting the oil into the engines, I guess it's quite nice to have a surface beyond them that can get dirty. And these can all be already filled like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the other bearings that are open on both sides, I will put inside the back plate already. And then they should also be ready for lubrication. The whole process was actually much easier than I expected it to be. I mean, it takes some time. You have to be patient, but I think it's not really hard to clean the bearings by yourself if you've never done it before. And all the bearings have the shield now on one side. And the recommendation is that you should add 2 drops of this speed cream for every bearing. And I will just put it here. It says 1 to 2 drops. Let's first do one of the not so perfect focus. So it's a very thick liquid, high velocity. Now let's see. It got much more silent. Next one. So let's put 1 big drop inside. Here, and 1 on the other side. Okay. Let's take one of the other set. Oh, it stopped it. Now it's completely silent, but not turning so fast anymore. So this speed cream has a very high viscosity, and I think you need some movement and temperature to make it really spin the bearing fast. Yeah, that's it so far. This was the bearing cleaning video. My first bearing cleaning, and it was actually quite fun. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. If you want more information about ethanol, which I used for the cleaning, I made a video about that, and yeah, have fun.